Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make cough, flu, sore throat, lozenges or candy or drops, whatever you want to call it. For the ingredients, you'll need 2 cups of water, 500 grams sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons grated ginger, tray and foil paper. So let's get started. So you'll be needing some decoction of ginger. So for that, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of freshly grated ginger and 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Keep mixing in between. So after boiling, you need to strain it and remove all the ginger pieces or the pulp. So start with small burner on low flame, add the decoction in a pan and then 2 cups of sugar, which is almost about 500 grams. Now keep stirring and you have to reduce it in a syrup consistency. It will take around 30 to 45 minutes almost. Now I'm adding the pulp of ginger as well, which we strained, because I wanted those bits and pieces of ginger while I'm chewing on the candy or sucking on the candy, which is an add-on nutrition. So I just thought of putting it. If you can clearly skip that part. So as you can see, it's been boiling and I'm stirring it again and again. You have to keep stirring or else it will get burned. So this is how it looks after 15 minutes. I'm constantly reducing and increasing the flames because this was the first time I was making this recipe, but from my recommendation, you should use small burner at lower flame, so this way you can control it or else it will just overflow. So this is after 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. You can see it has been reduced a lot. I have changed to a bigger utensil because it was kind of getting overflowed, so I used a bigger pan. This is the syrup consistency, but we need even more thicker consistency or else the candy won't set. You will realize when the side edges have started to crystallize and it has been a lot thicker. So this is after 40 to 45 minutes. On the edges, sugar has been crystallized, by which I came to know that this is the right consistency. And once you are done with that, once you take it off the flame, you have to be very quick and pour it on in the molds or else it will get hard very fast. So you have to be very quick. So as you can see, the edges have been crystallized, that's the sign. And I'm using this a very small ice cube tray and a ladle. The best tray to use is the silicone flexible mold, which will give you more control on removing the candy, because I found it very difficult to remove the candy. I had to literally turn it upside down and just drop on the tables to remove the candy. So please use silicone flexible mold if possible. And as you can see, I'm just leveling the candy and I'm being very quick because it gets hard very fast. As you can see, even the ladle has some sugar crystallized on it, so you have to be very quick. And once you're done with that, just set it at room temperature for 30 to 40 minutes or 1 hour, and then transfer it to refrigerator, which will make the candy even more harder. And you need to tap the tray, because air bubbles tend to form between the candy syrup, so you have to tap it so that all the air bubbles get released, or else the candy will easily break. So this is after 1 day in refrigerator. As you can see, the candy has beautifully formed and hardened. So this is how it is. Now you can use foil paper for wrapping, or you can just store it in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. So this is all, guys. I'll see you in another video. Please give your feedback in comments down below. I'll keep the recipe in description, and please like, subscribe and share this video. I'll see you in another video. Thank you guys. Bye. Take care.